Hello, in this video I show you how to replace the rear brake pads on Volkswagen Golf 4. These are the two bolts holding the brake caliper to the brake support. We need to remove them first. Next we remove the brake caliper, maybe use a pry bar to take it out a little bit easier. Now we can take out the brake pads and insert the new brake pads. Now we have to push in the brake cylinder back in. We're using a brake cylinder compression tool. We need to turn the brake cylinder so that it goes in. Now that the brake cylinder is in, we need to clean everything with a wire brush and change and put on the new brake pads. Next we put new brake caliper bolts, and afterwards we're done. After finishing replacing the pads, don't forget to press the brake pedal a couple of times so that the brake cylinder returns to normal position, and that's it. Thank you for watching. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Thank you.